Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chicago Mandarin Chinese Center. My name is Andy Zhang. Today I'm going to show you a very useful Chinese character. The character we're about to learn today is 有. This character is composed of 6 writing strokes. Stroke number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The part of speech of this character is a verb. The meaning is to have, there is, or there are. So grammatically, 有 is often used as a predicate. 有 is listed as one of the most frequently used beginner level 1 characters in the Chinese proficiency test, or HSK. The writing stroke order of 有 is indicated as follows. The character 有 is identified from oracle bone inscriptions which are dated back to Shang Dynasty in Chinese history. The original shape of the character 有 looks like this. It is an upper and a lower structure. The lower character in ancient Chinese actually means meat, and the upper character means hand. So, the implication of this character in ancient Chinese is meat in hand. Meat was considered an important source of food and nutrients in ancient China. If someone has meat in hand, it implies wealth and identity. The extended meaning is to possess, to own, or to have. This character was also identified from the bronze inscriptions in late Shang Dynasty. You can see the written form is basically the same as the oracle bone script. The written form of this character has gone through a few changes from large seal script to clerical script and a regular script, which is popularly used in various printing media in China today.